Hi, my name is Tuệ Nhi. I'm from class 6A3 from school UMS. Today, I will talk about problems about environmental problems and climatic change. Nowadays, environmental problems and climatic change around the globe have become more and more serious. One of the main reasons for these problems is urbanization. In this essay, I will approach the cause and solution to overcome the big issues that humans are confronting now. First, I will talk about climate change, urbanization, and environmental problems. Two, I will talk about some solutions. Begin with problems caused by urbanization, change in climate, and environmental pollution can be witnessed. Rapid urbanization causes an increase in global warming because space is necessary for building roads and bridges. Massive deforestation is arranged because of urbanization. This can be seen as a factor caused by climate change and environmental pollution. Climate change leads to the melting of the polar ice sheet and the destruction of wildlife and their habitats. Moreover, since the earth is getting hotter and hotter, there are more droughts on farming and the livelihood of local communities. Besides, environmental pollution can make people suffer from health problems. For instance, the ice cap in the polar region melts because of global warming, making excessive rays containing ultraviolet rays cannot be prevented. Secondly, Vietnam is in development now. It's a development country now, so everything is being industrialized, and I would say that a lot of factories have been built and set up in Vietnam. So, water and air pollution is a serious problem right now. Especially in Hanoi, motorbikes and cars have become the preferred mode of transportation. Almost everyone in the city owns a motorbike, with the main source of exhaust fumes that are released every day in the city. Also, hundreds of construction projects and manufacturing facilities around Hanoi have emitted large quantities of air pollution. Next, some solutions I want to talk about. There are some solutions we can implement to decrease urbanization so that climate change and environmental pollution can be less serious. First, we can change the way we travel, opting for public transport instead of private vehicles whenever is possible. Secondly, we can also consume less electricity at home by using energy-saving bulbs and being more carefully to turn off the light when we don't need. Besides, it is important to raise people's awareness about protecting the environment via meaningful programs and government support. Moreover, people can try to avoid using single-use products like plastic bottle and plastic bag, plastic rice box, and takeaway box. Instead, they can buy their flags, then they can buy their bottle, they can buy their box and carry them around, which would reduce a lot of plastic that in the country. Secondly, people can try not to throw garbage all over the place, either put them into the product bin or bring the trash back home with them. There are some solutions in the world like that. In Hanoi, there are several approaches that the government and people can take control and reduce air pollution in Hanoi. First and foremost, the government needs to put restriction on the amount of emission and pollutants from construction sites. To conclusion, urbanization, climate change, or pollution are serious problems for humans because of their negative effect. However, they can become less serious if we start a way to eliminate negative factors to the environment, especially urbanization. Moreover, we can protect the environment even small action in daily life. Thanks for watching and goodbye.